History is often viewed as a logical and linear story of isolated civilizations, rising and falling within their own geographic bounds. However, certain artifacts unearthed by archaeology deeply shake this simple, linear understanding of the past. These 6 discoveries point to unexpected connections between cultures separated by vast oceans and millennia, or suggest a level of ancient knowledge far beyond what we currently attribute to them. The London Hammer, an anomaly out of time. Discovered in Texas in 1936, the London Hammer is a prime example of an out-of-place artifact. Geological analysis suggests the rock surrounding the hammer dates back over 100 million years, placing it in the Cretaceous period, long before humans were supposed to exist. Furthermore, the hammerhead is made of refined, high-purity iron, indicating a level of metallurgical knowledge unexpected for any supposed ancient civilization. While skeptics suggest the rock is a recent concretion, mineral hardening, around a modern tool, the question of how an iron tool remains so well preserved and was found in a remote area remains unanswered. The Fuente Magnabol, a language that crossed oceans found near Lake Titicaca in Bolivia, the Fuente Magnabol presents a global enigma due to its inscriptions. The markings are inconsistent with any local pre-Columbian culture. Linguists have noted a striking resemblance between these signs and the cuneiform script of the Sumerian civilization, which originated in Mesopotamia, thousands of miles away. This astonishing parallel raises the possibility that ancient mariners successfully navigated oceans much earlier than commonly believed, establishing cross-cultural contact, or it hints at the highly unlikely scenario of the same script form developing independently across the globe. Ubaid lizard figurines, serpent gods or visitors. These small statues, dating back over 7,000 years to the early Ubaid culture in southern Iraq, are profoundly perplexing. While possessing human bodies, the figurines feature elongated, conical skulls, slanted eyes, and clear reptilian facial traits. Since the Ubaid people left no written records, the purpose of these eerie depictions is unknown. Did this culture carve figures of their gods, ancestors, or, as some researchers suggest, preserve the memory of non-terrestrial visitors they encountered? These figures remain an unresolved mystery, standing as silent witnesses to the dawn of civilization. The Tekaxit-Calixtlahuaca head, early Roman footprints in the Americas unearthed in a burial site in central Mexico, dating to around 900 AD, this small clay head is chronologically and geographically misplaced. Its artistic style, beard, and facial features are distinctly Roman. Given that Europeans were not supposed to have reached the Americas until the time of Columbus, and Rome itself had already fallen, this artifact may be one of the strongest pieces of evidence for trans-oceanic contact long before the officially recorded age of exploration. While its authenticity has been debated, the soil stratigraphy confirms the head had been undisturbed at the site for centuries. The main penny. The Vikings' secret southward journey. Discovered in 1957 at a Native American archaeological site in Maine, this silver coin was identified as a Norse penny minted by Vikings approximately 1,000 years ago. Historically, it's believed the Vikings only settled the northern reaches of North America, Newfoundland. The coin's presence far to the south, found among other ancient Native American artifacts, suggests the Vikings may have made much deeper and more extensive explorations into the continent than historical records indicate. While it could have arrived through indirect trade, its discovery challenges the established boundaries of the Viking presence in the New World. The Shigir Idol, an enigma from the Ice Age. Found in the Ural Mountains of Russia in 1890, the Shigir Idol is the world's oldest known wooden sculpture, with an estimated age of around 12,000 years. Predating the Egyptian pyramids by more than a factor of 2, this massive statue was created by a hunter-gatherer society at the end of the Ice Age. The idol is covered in complex, coded carvings, zigzag patterns, geometric shapes, and human faces. While theories suggest the carvings depict a creation myth, a map, or a warning, modern science has yet to decipher this ancient language. The Shigir Idol proves that long before the rise of civilization, humans possessed sophisticated art and abstract thought. These 6 artifacts remind us that the history of humanity is far more complex and layered than we currently understand. It will be fascinating to see how future discoveries may ultimately explain these perplexing finds.